So the last time I talked about how you can edit on CapCut. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit using InShot. So it's very simple. Go to your Play Store and download InShot on Play Store. So once you're done downloading it and installing it on your phone, then you'll be welcome with this interface. So for you to edit videos on InShot, peradventure you are a content creator or you just want to edit video for your business, just come over here, click on video. You can edit photos right here. You can also mix photos where you have collage. I guess that is pronunciation, right? For you to edit videos, come to where you have video. Once you tap on video, then right here they'll ask you to select the video you want to edit. So I just choose this particular video right here. Once I choose it, I'll click on this check button down here. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can do so many things on InShot, but this will be a beginners friendly tutorial. I won't be going deep into it, so just pay attention, guys. So once you have added the video you want to edit to your InShot, then it appears like this. You can see right here we have so many tools right here, so many things you can do on InShot. So I'll be showing you how you can do some major things. I'll be showing you how you can add text to your videos on InShot, how you can trim and split your videos, I can add caption, I can do transitions on InShot, I can add effects on InShot. Likewise, I can do overlay on InShot. Likewise, I can add a voiceover, or if you want to add a trending sound to your video. And I also show you I can add filter, I can filter your videos on InShot. There are so many other things I can show you, but like I said, this is a beginners friendly tutorial. If you want me to make an advanced tutorial for you, go to the comment section and comment create an advanced tutorial on how to use InShot. So with this beginner friendly tutorial, you'll be able to start using InShot. You'll be able to edit your videos on InShot and also make a very good editing using InShot. So let's start with the first one, which is I can add text on InShot. So right here on our screen, you can see we have so many things down here. We have canvas, we have audio, sticker, text, effect, filter. It's just very simple. Like, you can actually learn this on your own without a tutorial, but then let me still show you how to do them. You can see down here we have text right here. So once you tap on text right here, you can see we have sticker, we have text, caption. It means you can do so many things using the text feature. If you want to add a sticker, you click on add sticker. If you want to add caption to your video, you click on caption. Likewise, text. What brought us here is how to add text. So click on text right here, then a text will appear on your screen. Can you see? Now we have our keyboard screen and a text on the screen. Let's type something right here. No work after schooling. Can you see that? So you can also shorten this, like you can break it so that it does not cover your full screen. So just come to the middle of the text, then click on enter. Can you see? So you can see this arrow right here. You can use it to drag it in and drag it out. Why this X button right here is if you want to remove the text you added. So let's try one of them. So I just drag it in. Can you see it is now smaller? So once you are done adding that text, you can also edit the text to a different color. You can see the color button right here. Can you see all this? You can also align it clicking on this. So many things you can do right here. So once you're done with all that, then you go ahead and click on check so that it will be added to the video. Can you see? Now we successfully added a text to our video. So you can also drag it out or in right here in case you want it to show all through the video. Can you see? It's showing all through the video. Hope you are seeing that. It's not showing again. So that's basically how you go about adding text to your video. So let's proceed to the next part of the video, which is I can split your video and also trim your video. So for you to split your video and trim your video, let's start with the trimming. So the trimming is done whenever you want to like remove the beginning part of your video, or you want to remove the ending part of your video. So for example, you want to remove the beginning part of this video, so just tap on the video itself, just tap on it down here. Oh, okay, let me first check this. Let's check this first. Awesome. So once you tap on the video down here, can you see? So this will appear right here. So you can just drag it in. So let me drag it in. I've dragged it in. So you can see now the video is now 2 minutes 13 seconds, and that's basically how you go about trimming a video. You can also do the same thing at the end of the video. Peradventure you want to also delete a part at the end. Right here it is showing 2 minutes 8 seconds. If I should drag it in, you see that the time will reduce again. Can you see the time is reducing? So that way you get to like trim the video. That's very simple, guys. Very simple. And also you want to like split the video, just tap on the video again. Once you tap on the video, so over here you get to look for where we have splits. We have so many features down here. Can you see split right here? So once you tap on splits, then can you see the video has been splitted? Are you seeing that? So once the video is splitted, it means right in the middle here you can add a transition. So let me show you how you can do that quickly. So just tap on this button showing right here, this white button that has a dot in the center. Once you tap on it, you get to see several transitions. So you can get to play around all these things and see the one that suits you best. Do you understand? So many transitions right here. So that's basically how you go about adding transitions to your video. Are you following, guys? You see there are so many features right here, but I said this is a beginner tutorial, so I won't be going deep. If you want me to make a more detailed tutorial on how to use Inshot, comment in the comment section. Drop an advanced tutorial on Inshot, and I'll make a more detailed tutorial regarding Inshot. So I just showed you guys how to split your video. You can also split again if you want to edit, like if you want to delete a part of a video. So assuming you want to delete a part of this video, I'll just come here, I'll tap on split again. So I just split this again. So now it means this part of the video has been split out. So now you can delete this part, but eventually you don't want it to be part of the video, by tapping on this delete button right here. Can you see it has been deleted? Hope you are following, guys. So that's basically that about that feature. So let's proceed to the next part of the tutorial, which is how you can add effects to your videos. So for you to add effects to your videos, it's very simple. So down here you can see we have effects right here, just after that text button. So click on effects, then you get to see several effects right here. So if you want your video to have a particular effect, this is where you do that. If you want to add a filter, this is where you do that. So if I should click on effects right here, I get to see several effects. Can you see? Are you seeing that? So if I should click on this tremble, you see what it will appear like on the video. So once I click on tremble, can you see? The video is moving. That's an effect. That's what we call effects. Do you understand? You can play around all this, so many effects right here. And also if you want to remove the effect you just added, come back here and click on original, then the effect will be removed from your video. So once you're done adding any effects, click on this check button right here, and it means it has been added to your video. So if you want to filter the video, like you want to add filter to your video, click on filter, then you get to see several features right here. You can add any of them that you feel suits your video, that you feel will make your video look better. And that's basically how you go about adding filters to your video. By the way, I believe you are getting value from this tutorial. If you are, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So let's proceed and let me show you guys how to add voiceover to your video, how to add trending sounds to your videos. So once you're done with all this, click on check, then it means you are done with all this. Click on check again, so that is saved. So you can see the first thing we have right here is audio. So come to where you have audio. Once you click on audio, you can see we can add so many things right here. You can add a music, you can add an effect, you can add a recording. Probably you want to like record a voice and add to the video. Likewise, an AI speech. So for you to add a music, tap on music, then you get to see a search bar where you get to like search for the music you want to add. Can you see so many music right here? So just go ahead and choose any music you feel will go with your video, and once you are done choosing it, then you get to check it. So I don't need to do this right now. So that's basically that about that. So that's how you add music to your video. If you want to add an effect, all those funny effects, so just come over here, look for one of the effects like a sound, just choose anyone you want to add right here, and you get to see it will sound in your video. Are you seeing everything? These are fireworks sounds. If you want electronic Christmas sound, if you want zipper sound, like the sound of a zip on your video, so many sound right here, so many effects right here. So that's basically that about that also. And finally, I'll be showing you guys how to add overlay to your videos. So if you want to add overlay to your videos, overlays are like probably your video is playing and you want something to appear on the video, like an image or like a video should appear on your video. That is very simple. So on CapCut it is called overlay, but on Inshot it is called peep. Do you understand? It is called peep. So come over to where you have peep right here. Once you click on peep, then you get to choose what you want to add to your video. If you want to add video, you can tap on video. If you want to add photo, you can see we have photo right here. So let's just assume I want to add this particular image. So once I add this, can you see? So it means once my video is playing and it gets to that part, then that particular stuff will appear as the overlay.
No, my life must change. I can't remain.
Are you seeing that?
Like this forever.
Can you see? It has left the video. So you can also work on the overlay you added by editing it, by adding effects, doing the filter stuff, doing caption on it. So many things you can do. So the best thing is just for you to go ahead and practice on your own. Practice, they say, makes perfect. Do you understand? If you watch this video and you don't practice all what I just explained, you never even get to know how this works. So I advise you to go ahead and practice all what I've just taught you right now. And if you want me to make an advanced tutorial where I get to explain more features, go ahead and drop in the comment section. Comment, teach us advanced video editing using InShot, and I'll make a video on that. So once you're done with all your editing, come over here and click on export. Then the video will be saved to your gallery. So I'll click on allow right here. Then I'll click on export again. Can you see? Can you see? The video is being saved. Can you see? Converting video 0%. Once it gets to 100%, it means we have successfully saved the video to our gallery. And that's basically how you go about editing using InShot. So I believe you got value, guys. I believe you got value. If you did, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.